And thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys are having a great Friday so far. Today is November 6th, and on this post, we're going to be talking about the overall crypto markets, Bitcoin price action, altcoin price action, and of course, Uniswap Token UNIUSD, and how that could be affected by the overall markets. I'm going to be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenario, as well as my short-term price prediction for this market according to what I'm seeing in the charts. Now, if you guys are watching this on TradingView, do follow me. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe, as I'll be keeping you guys updated on my latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. Now, if you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 3 free stocks upon a successful sign-up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive bonus stocks after you finish your setup, so I truly appreciate that. Now, also do read my disclaimer down below, as I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell the future, so you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing. Please do leave me any comments. And if you have any questions, only leave them in the comment section below, as I will not get to all the messages in my inbox. Let me know what you guys are trading, what symbols you guys are watching. I can see if I can share my opinions and analysis on those symbols. Now let's take a look at what exactly is going on in the market. So first things first, I would like to take a look at Bitcoin dominance, because I want to know where exactly the money is trending into and could be trending into. Is it trending into Bitcoin? Is it trending into altcoins, or neither? So currently, we are at about 65.3%, down about 1.8% yesterday. And from this pullback, we can see that the money is obviously trending into the total altcoin market cap, since that is up while Bitcoin is down. So on this pullback, I would be looking for some opportunities to be trading altcoins, but also got to be cautious for when Bitcoin dominance does start bouncing back up, and that is when money is possibly going back into Bitcoin again. So I'm going to be cautious of that, but it does seem like there is a little bit of a short-term opportunity here while total altcoin market cap is trending up while Bitcoin dominance is trending down. So now next up will be Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin itself on the hourly chart have currently formed about a descending triangle pattern, which has a 53% chance of breaking upwards. Okay, currently it's at about 15,000 and almost 15,600. Okay, and it has been supported by that 15,000 level support. So we're gonna see if that holds and which way this price action for Bitcoin breaks, because if it does break downwards, that could affect how altcoins move. Now, total altcoin market cap, total 2, is currently about almost $154 billion, up about 5% since yesterday, and we are still above that level I keep mentioning, which is the weekly 21 simple moving average. So on a macro trend, in my opinion, we are still very much on an uptrend for total altcoin market cap. Now let's take a look at Uniswap UniUSD itself. What have we been doing? So like I have mentioned, we have been running in this falling wedge pattern for some time, since this downtrend right here back in September. And I have mentioned that a falling wedge pattern did have a 68% chance of breaking out. So we're going to see if this breakout is actually legit, but it does look like we had ran from about under just $2, under $2 to this daily 21 simple moving average, which we had not been able to close above on since this downtrend right here, as you guys can see, which is this blue line right here. And if the first thing I want to ask myself is, in order to actually break this downtrend pattern, what could actually look different to actually convince me that we may be breaking this downtrend pattern? Well, breaking above this daily 21 simple moving average and actually staying above of it, okay? So if we actually do get a confirmation of a breakout and actually staying above this daily 21 simple moving average, if we can close above it, the next level of resistance right here that I'm looking at is about 3.4. So that is the bullish case scenario if price action does stay above the simple daily simple 21 simple moving average. the next price target is about 3.4, which is also where some of the next moving averages are on the lower time frames that could be also acting as resistance later on. So to show you what I mean is, if we actually look at the 6-hour chart, we actually do have the 6-hour 200 moving average up here at about in the range of 3.5, and that is downward sloping. So by the time price action gets there, it will probably be meeting up with the Fibonacci retracement level at about 3.4 or even lower. On the daily chart, we can also see that 50 moving average, which is the just available, this white line right here, is also at about 3.4, about 3.5, which is downward sloping as well, and can also consolidate or even go below this 0.786 fib level right here. So it seems like once we actually get above this 0.786 fib level, we will be back above all available moving averages. So in my mind, that would look pretty bullish to me. Now that is the bullish case scenario. And of course, I'm going to mention the measured target right here. If we actually go to the measured target from this falling wedge, which would be about 4.7 and takes us back to about the 0.5 fib level. So that is the bullish case scenario. I have mentioned other things that could look bullish at this point, but we have to also acknowledge the bearish case scenario, because I don't like surprises. I don't like acting on a dime. I want to expect both sides that could happen before and even during a position that I'm holding. Okay, so the bearish case scenario, well, first things first, is that if we actually break back into this falling wedge pattern, if we actually get rejected here and don't have enough buyer strength to get above of it, break back into this falling wedge pattern and continue downwards, or even worse, it could break back below this bottom trend line as well. Now, which one do I think is more likely? I do think that given that we close above this daily 21 simple moving average, the chances will significantly increase that we can actually be reversing this downtrend and actually start going back upwards. Okay, so that is the one thing that is going to convince me that we are more likely to head back into the bullish direction, closing above this daily 21 simple moving average. So this concludes my very short analysis of Uniswap Token UNIUSD. Please let me know if you guys found it helpful. Let me know your thoughts, agreements, disagreements. I'd love to know. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and see you next time.